Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a power hour clean with me. I had a quick hour that I had to clean while Luna was taking her nap. I love power hours because since I know my time is limited, I really like to literally power through my cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and I hope you find some cleaning motivation from it as well. So the first thing that I did was start off in my bedroom and make my bed. So next, to wipe down my mirror, I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. And then in light of everything that's going on right now, I have been really trying to clean with Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes. So I'm just giving everything in my bedroom a quick wipe down. And now on to my vanity area. I am just giving the mirror a quick clean as well as the counter. And I know it looks super cluttered, but these are things that I use on the daily. So I am thinking of making a makeup and vanity organization video. So let me know down below if that's something that you guys would want to see. And of course, I had a lot of laundry to fold. And then I'm moving on to my dining room and picking up from the lunch we had that day, and then giving the kitchen table a quick wipe down as well as the chairs. And you guys already know the disaster that Luna makes when she eats. This is every time, every day, whenever she eats. So I'm just giving her high chair a wipe and then picking up the mess that she made on the floor. And then moving on to the kitchen, I always like to start off on our center island because I just feel like when I clean this down and remove all the clutter, it already looks so much cleaner. And I'm still using the Clorox wipes to clean everything down, especially here because this is where we place all the mail and any packages, any grocery bags that are coming into the house right now. So now on to the dishes, and for the dishes I'm using the Palmolive antibacterial soap. I'm trying to use as much antibacterial anything as I can right now. So I'm just using that to wash the dishes, and I wish I could literally wash the dishes this fast. And now I'm wiping down the refrigerator, and little Miss Luna woke up from her nap. There she is, crawling. So now I'm moving on to the living room and just putting away all the kids' toys, picking up anything that's on the floor, and any pieces of trash, crumbs, stuff like that. And this little table that we use for the living room is always really dirty because the kids put their snacks here and like to eat off of it. So I always make sure that I really wipe this down good. then of course my favorite vacuum ever. I just went in and vacuumed up all the pieces of crumbs that my little ones leave behind. And then the last thing I did was go in with the Lysol disinfecting spray and spray down the couch and throw pillows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I can continue to film cleaning videos for you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.